Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with all things beauty and skincare related. Today I'm going to be trying on and reviewing with you the Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar by Erno Laszlo. It is packed in this packaging. You guys, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. I am constantly doing luxury skincare reviews to show you guys if these expensive products are worth the money. So let's get started in the video. I hope you become a new subscriber of mine and roll with me, baby. Roll with me. I'll show you the way, girl. All right, so a deep mud cleansing soap bar? Did they actually, oh, okay, thank God they didn't use the word soap in the name, because I was like, usually when I hear the word soap in facial skincare, I'm running the opposite direction. So this can definitely scare some people when they see the soap bar. I'm not gonna lie, but I'm gonna tell you something. I've been using this for a while and I'm blown away by it, okay? I'm gonna read you a little bit about this product so we can get comfortable with it. Then I'm gonna try this on and I'm gonna show you guys exactly before and after photos. You guys, I am not wearing makeup today, but this is my skin after doing yard work all day. It is dirty and it does need a good cleansing. Untouched, the soap bar looks like this in the camera. Like when you get it, when you first open it, wait till you see mine. It's like, whoa, girl. It is $38. Our iconic Laszlo Original Cleansing Bar boasts the uniquely therapeutic benefits of Dead Sea mud, a mineral-rich miracle of nature to deeply cleanse, exfoliate, and hydrate skin. To begin our commitment towards sustainability and doing our part in the circular economy, our packaging has been updated to feature 0% plastic. You get 100 grams for $38 for this soap. I do just want to let you guys know that Dead Sea mud is within the top listed ingredients, as well as charcoal powder. However, I do want to let you know that perfume and fragrance is pretty high up on the list, so just be mindful of that. I always like to try to call that out, and I try to remember that because perfumes can be harsh. Even though this skincare product is deeply scented, I've never had a problem. This is how you store the item in this. It's not plastic. I don't know what it's made out of. Supposedly not plastic, but it feels like plastic. And what I love about the packaging is you leave it in your shower like this. So if you're worried about getting a bar of soap, because a lot of us nighttime skin cleansing people, we typically keep our products in the shower. This kind of protects the bar of soap from kind of dwindling away, which I thought was actually really smart. And honestly, this is how the packaging should be. Then you just push out this, and there is the soap bar. You guys, please don't judge my soap bar. It once looked pretty and it said Erno Laszlo right here. However, once you start using it, it does kind of act like a typical soap bar and it does start to deforming itself. But this product, when you first smell it, really kind of just smells like nothing. Like waxy a little bit. It actually kind of smells like mud. Does that make sense? Like earthy? So if you guys are just wondering about the texture, I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand for you so you could kind of get an up close and personal look. It is clearly like a mud clay. It's definitely not, it's very natural feeling. Let's get started on cleansing our face. And we're gonna begin cleansing. So you usually just pop this out. I do sometimes have to run it under hot water to get it because it kind of sticks to this. I don't like that because you see how I'm kind of morphing the product right here. This is it up close, but it definitely moves. So you always have to kind of get it wet to get it out of this black case. Yeah, so just be extra careful when using this product because you could lose a lot. I just lost a chunk of it. I don't know if I'm using it incorrectly, but it's starting to get messy over time. And I honestly, I don't really appreciate that. The best way and the preferred method on the website, and I confirm this method, is by directly taking this bar of soap and massaging it over your wet face, using the round corners to kind of circle around your face to boost circulation of your skin. I do rub this into my Clarisonic every once in a while when I really need a deep cleanse. But honestly, I don't think it's really 100% necessary. It does burn if it gets in your eyes. There. So next, once I apply the soap all over my face, I will just go in with my fingers and massage to make sure it's getting everywhere, paying close attention to my nose and my chin, because this is where I get the most breakouts. And let me tell you something, you guys, this product is amazing on clogged pores. Like, I'm not even kidding. The way this product works is insanely good. Like, wait till you see my skin after this. It is the best charcoal cleanser, hands down, I have ever tried. Not even kidding. And when they say it in the instructions that mineral, like Dead Sea ingredients and nutrients that are within this bar, it does help boost hydration. And I'm gonna tell you, I've never had a hydration effect from a charcoal mask. However, this does hydrate your face somehow, some way. Okay, you guys, I am back. This is my face clean after applying this soap bar or this cleansing soap. You could see I have honestly the most glowing skin from cleansing with this soap bar, and I'm honestly obsessed. I have to say, for as unpretty as this thing looks, it looks like just like a glob of clay. I mean, look at my skin. It really works. Erno Laszlo as a brand has been around for so long, and it was either the first skincare brand or one of the first skincare brands to actually invent double cleansing, which I think is amazing. And now, if you know Erno Laszlo, the brand takes great pride on working with Audrey Hepburn, on working with Marilyn Monroe and Jackie Kennedy, and like they take great pride. And Dr. Erno Laszlo was a very, very loved doctor, and he, I believe, cleared a princess's skin or a queen's skin, and that's how he got put on the map. And like years ago, you were only able to access Erno Laszlo products by seeing him personally and getting a written prescription from him personally, then getting the products. I actually have a copy of one of the written instructions he made for Marilyn Monroe, and sometimes I contemplate if I actually want to try the instructions and do a YouTube video on it. I think that'll be cool. If you guys are into that idea, let me know below. But you guys, honestly, this is the best charcoal cleanser on the market. I mean, look at my skin. I don't think I have to even talk this product up, because I mean, my skin is kind of just speaking for itself. I have no makeup on. This is literally my clean skin. It is not dry. It is like actually slightly hydrated and has the most beautiful glow. So if you guys have acne, you're gonna love this. If you guys are a little dry and you still have clogged pores, I honestly think you could get away with this. This is not a stripping product, which is why I think I love it so, so much. It does provide some moisture, and obviously the Dead Sea mud does something to work. Of course, it's loaded with minerals and nutrients. Oh, and this is, I believe, one of the original products Dr. Erno Laszlo ever came out with to invent the double cleanse. If you are using this product as a double cleanse feature, use this after your oil, and like, girl, there won't be a drop of makeup left on you. You guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. I wholeheartedly 100% recommend this product. It truly is fantastic. And if you're contemplating on getting it, just get it. My only complaint about this product is just the whole bar of soap situation. But if you could look over the ugliness of it, you guys, I'm telling you, it's worth it. It's a good buy. Everybody have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and let me know what you think. Love you guys. Bye.